My name is Sidney Smith. I love to hunt, fish, do triathlons. I'm a double amputee. I lost my legs 4 years ago to a disease called Charcot-Marie-Tooth. I'm part of an organization called Disabled Outdoorsmen, where we provide opportunities for those that are maybe less fortunate and have impairments. We believe if you're out there doing what you love, maybe you won't have your mind on some of the troubles.
You see me talking and just watch the camera zoom in.
And we're super grateful for those people out there who helped us make these experiences happen for them. Today we have several hunters with us. We have myself, Braxten Nielsen, who was a former rodeo star, where he broke his back in 2017. He was temporarily paralyzed and is recovering well. Also in a rodeo accident, we have with us Clint Robinson, who got bucked off a horse. He had a spinal injury and has been wheelchair bound for over 30 years. We also have Brock Carter. He's also in a wheelchair. A few years ago, he had a really bad accident where he had an ATV incident, and we're real excited about this hunt.
I saw it.
Hey!
Man, this is like duck heaven.
Woo, baby!
What was the frame?
I think I did all 3 shots right.
Getting lots of shots in, lots of ducks coming in waves, so we're doing good.
Amazing. This is awesome. Great day. Sun's out. Beautiful. Good people. Ducks are dropping.
Get him, Wally!
End of a good day, huh, fellas?
Awesome day. Awesome day. My name's Brock. Born in St. George, Utah. Pretty much was raised in Riverton, Utah, though. 2015 out at Sand Dunes. Family ride. There's like 30 of us all together, and I stood up to look back for my kids and went out over the front of the handlebars and burst T4 and 5, and instantly knew once I hit the ground that, you know, pretty much lost all feeling and sensation. Threw nipples down, and you know, life changes. But I was a father, had a wife, and live on, right? Like, I'm still here. I'm able to come do this, and awesome day today.
My name's Clint Robinson from Twilla, Utah. 32 years ago, I broke my neck, C6, C7, spinal cord injury from a rodeo accident. It was a pretty rough time there for a while, just getting to back up and learning how to function. And over the years, I've just picked up a lot of stuff, just mainly staying busy and doing leather work.
For me, it's the only time in life that sitting in the blind today, I'm one of you guys. I can pull that trigger just as fast as you guys, and you guys can't get up and run around, so either can I. So, you know, it's fair game, you know, and that's typically hunting. It's, you know, just getting out and living life, and for me, spending tons of time with my family and kids, and you guys, just, you know what I mean? I barely met you guys, and I'd go hang out all of you anytime, so it's just cool. I think that bond.
I think it's just special to be able to show these things to people. Hopefully they're inspired to be getting in the outdoors and doing their own kind of things.